Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act quickly and precisely. First, remove any case and dry the screen. You want direct access. Once done, press and hold power and volume down together for about 10 to 15 seconds to force a soft reset. If that does not work, try power with volume up or hold power alone for 30 seconds. Different models use different combos. These steps reboot the firmware without erasing data, which is why you start here before deeper recovery efforts. If a soft reset didn't solve it, you should isolate software causes. Once the device restarts, boot into safe mode by powering on and holding volume down after the logo. This disables third-party apps so you can test touch. If touch fails in safe mode, reboot to recovery mode by powering off and using the power plus volume up combination for your model. In recovery, use the Wipe Cache Partition option first to remove corrupted temporary files. This preserves apps and data while often restoring responsiveness. If wiping the cache didn't help, back up any recoverable data and proceed to a factory reset only as a last resort because it erases personal data. Once you reset and the issue remains, suspect hardware. Check the screen for cracks, test touch with an OTG mouse if the port works, and inspect ribbon connectors if you can safely open the device. If physical faults are present, stop and seek a professional repair. If repairs fail, document the exact symptoms and combos tried before contacting service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.